Today we will do the repotting of this agave. Materials needed are clay balls, coarse washed river sand, cinder, neem compost, single superphosphate, horn meal, and a 12-inch pot with ample drain holes. The plant has been removed from its existing pot. Now let us see the root area. I'm going to free up some amount of the soil medium. There are few weeds which has to be removed. The soil has been freed, roots have been freed up, and this is this soil medium. It was in all these years. The drain holes are covered with broken clay pot pieces. And now I'll be filling these clay balls into it. This is to assist better drainage. Cinder has been used here. This is another layer of it. Plant has been repotted and the soil has been refilled. Now on the top soil we'll do dressing with cinder once again. Now while watering, we will drench the roots with some amount of fungicide solution to prevent the root from fungus infection.